In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your KuCoin app to the latest version. So by updating your KuCoin app, you'll be able to get the latest version of this app, and also you'll be able to fix any security issues and bugs associated with the older version of your app. So it is good to frequently check for any update for your app and then update it to the latest version. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, to update your app, you need to access it through Google Play Store if you are using an Android smartphone, or App Store if you are on iPhone. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store and then search for my app, and the app is here. So if I tap on it and open, I'll look for any update if it is available here. So if you have an update, you'll see it here written update. Then you'll have an option to go ahead and update. By updating it, it will go ahead and install the latest version of KuCoin app on your smartphone. Once it is done, go ahead and now tap on this open. For my case, I cannot update it because I already have the latest version of this app. So that's how you can update your KuCoin app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.